Don't skip this video. If you're in your mid-30s and up, this workout is for you. At Body Game University, we use light weights and full body workout techniques to help you lose weight and get in shape fast. Just follow along with the exercises you see here and get ready to accelerate your body transformation journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so that you don't miss any of our workouts here at Body Game University. Here are a few workout tips. Number 1, make sure that you're taking deep breaths during and after each exercise. Number 2, concentrate on squeezing your ab muscles during each exercise to strengthen your core. Lastly, focus on technique so that you don't get injured and so that you receive the best result from your workout. If you're ready, let's get started with the warm-up.